Hi everybody. In this video we're going to make the What card in Tinkercad. So the first thing that we're going to do is go into settings and duplicate the template card. This template card is the right size, the sharp corners are rounded, and I've placed a ruler in it to help with all the measurements. So let's go over a few things. The tools over to the left help you navigate the program. First off is the cube. This helps you move the image all around. Second, the home button places your work into a set position. Third, fit to view gives you a close-up. And then we have our zoom in and zoom out buttons. Next, if I click on the object, you're going to see some measurements. This information tells me that the square is 55 millimeters by 55 millimeters and that it is 1 millimeter tall. So go ahead and insert a square for what's going to wind up being a border. Over in Basic Shapes, we're going to drag and drop a block into position. I want the block to be 5 millimeters off the edge, so if I click next to these green highlighted areas, I can change both of these to 5. Now I want the block to be 45 millimeters wide. And then 2.5 millimeters tall, and that's going to offset with a little bit of that platform. So if I look at it, looks like I sort of have a platform in there. So now we want to remove some material from the square. To do this, I'm going to grab the hollow box and adjust it like I did the platform square. Now the only problem with this is if I group this, which I'll select everything, group, you notice that I've kind of made like a picture frame. That's not exactly what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and ungroup. And this here, I'm actually going to raise this up 1 millimeter. And now if I group it, that's kind of what I want. So the card is just about finished now. It's time to place the text. I'm going to scroll down in the Basic Shapes panel and drag over text. Now I'm going to show the shape panel. I'm going to get rid of text, replace it with the question mark, and make a few adjustments. Looks great. I'll group it. And now it's ready to print.